sunny day. Time's ticking on. I'm teaching. I've got a workshop this weekend, starting tomorrow, Saturday, and then I've got people coming over. And then I'm working to teaching 3 days. So I'm just going to do that. That's the galangal that needs washing. That's the turmeric that needs planting. That's the turmeric that needs cleaning. That's the pile of sticks that need burning. And then got these to plant. I've just found some more trays because it's just a bit messy, really. It's just a mess everywhere. And I've got the motorbike stuck up there now. And I've been to a piggery today. I was only meant to go for a bit. But anyway, it took longer than a bit. So they're all gates. Gates that were in a piggery. With a feed thing. Anyway, they're good for goats. There's enough there to make a little pen. A penny pen. And look, my grevilleas are flowering. Look how they're growing. Grevilleas, the dog's in the car. Asparagus has come up. I'm getting ready for asparagus beds. Yeah, been trying micros at the market, seeing if people are interested, and they're not. Seeds I planted before, cuttings that need potting up, little lizards running down there, chickens have been scratching the compost, made it very square. Sweet potatoes that are getting little sprouts, plants that are in the sick bay. They just didn't like the cold or they've died back. And these are herbs that I've got to pot up because I've only got the same amount of herbs. I'm running out of herbs. Herbs for selling herbs. And that feverfew's not the proper feverfew. It's another variety of feverfew though. Anyway, I better get onto it. So, onto it. My hydrangeas, arborescens. It's very exciting. The bobcat guy's been up the top. What are you doing in the car, Pepper? I've got a lamb down. Haven't we, Peps? With paralysis. Okay, onward, upward. Just recording a day on the farm with Louise. And you know, it's Raven, by the way. Hello, hi. Yeah, and what happened was this morning me and our friend Annie were here and we thought we lost these guys over here, because we went outside and we were looking around and we saw 3 white bottoms disappear away up the road, up the driver's thing, and Louise had gone out to teach. And so she was gone for the day. So there's Annie. Say hi, Annie.
Hi, Annie.
Yeah, say hi everybody in the world.
Hey everybody in the world.
Yeah, hi Raven.
Hi Raven.
Yeah, she's my co-farmer. And then we lost these guys. We couldn't find them. They got out. We went, oh shit. And Louise wasn't here and we didn't know what to do. We panicked. And it wasn't the geese and the chickens, it was just the other little fellas. And so we went looking, and so we went and got on the quad bike. And then we got lost up the back, and then it started to rain, and we came back. And then we got all the way up the hill and the quad bike wouldn't go. And so what else can go wrong? So we stopped it. There's the quad bike. Apparently there wasn't really anything wrong with it. But yeah, we did that. But how beautiful is this place? Man, it's good. Hey, Pippa. Oh, and then Pippa got a tick behind her ear, but Annie saved her life. Yeah. And I don't know how to do selfies on this. How do I turn it around? I have to go like this. Hi. Yeah. I've got a hat on, see? Looks good. Yeah. Oh. And there's 3 little goats. 3 little goats sitting on a rock. Yeah. Yeah. And the geese are down there. And the chickens are laying eggs in the bushes. Anyway, we went right up the back, up that road over there, and had a look. And this place is just amazing.
Just show the mountains.
Yeah. There's the mountains, but we don't say what they're called.
Mountains.
Yep, that's it, mountain, because nobody knows where we are. You guys do though, you sneaky devils. Oh, stop.
That's a house on a truck. Just got to unload it now. Right, that's a chicken pen, beginning of. I didn't do that. Steve's helping me. Steve's been helping me with heaps of stuff. He's a friggin' legend. Anyway, that's a chicken pen. And this just arrived. I just did a quick shot of it before, but the guy was the most grumpy truck driver that I've ever seen in my life. So I just shut myself in the office while he, came. So that's the house. Look at them friggin' noggins. I used to have to cut them and do them before because I've built one of these houses before. But these are all like screwed and everything, so unless they're floor purlings. Anyway, I've got to work out the names for them. Guttering, and so they can't get it up the top. We trying to get a truck. There's a water tank from the top. As in, when I move, it's going to be the plants, the tanks, the nursery set up, the propagation area, all the watering system's got to go up there. I don't know what's happening today. It's really dusty and it almost could potentially look smoky. And then the fire brigade's just gone out. I'm hating on the chickens because they're eating and digging up stuff. I've been working 3 days. This is the first day I've actually had to myself. I'm still in therapy. I'm having therapy with 2 different lots of people, which has actually really been good. I really feel that I'm getting my shit together. Yeah. So, oh, that sounds like a tractor. Yeah, going to pick up some baby goats this afternoon, but yes. Got to do some cuttings. Rats are eating stuff. Someone knocked over my friggin' Revelia. A bit annoyed about that. The chickens keep scratching it up. Rats are going in here and eating everything. It's just like 1 step forward, 2 step back sometimes. But anyway, I've got to finish my bit on the computer because the truck guy's coming. I've got herbs to pot up. I've got lists to do. Tractors to sell, welders to mend. It's just, it's really overwhelming, you know. Add other burdens on it. All right, so I'm going to do that. I will show you the chicken pen when it's finished. This is going to be finished. I've got to put the mesh on it at the bottom and tins just going up the back. So it actually is going to be quick from now on in. Like, he's done the hard bits, but I've got to cut the tin and blah, blah, blah. And then I'm putting them in this chicken mesh, which all up's probably cost about $1,000. But in the long run, what it means is the chickens are mobile. They're not going to have problems with... Oh, there's a bit of a world loss there, is there? No. yeah, it will be mobile. I can move them around and the buggers can't get out. So I'm going to set that up later. I'm just going to finish talking to students on computers. I got 250 students online or something ridiculous. It's just, oh, it's a lot. Anyway, so garden hugely neglected. Cuttings to do, turmeric to plant. Just really would be good to have a hand. Anyway, I will come back. Keep you posted.